Good day. Today we're going to be doing that unboxing of the Raspberry Pi in a box. So that's just right over here to the right of me. We're going to go ahead, we're going to dive into that, and we're going to see what kind of fun stuff we get in there. And well, is it worth the price tag? Obviously it is. This box is full of goodness. So we're not going to waste any time. We're going to dive into this guy here, and we're going to see what kind of fun we can find inside. So let's get going. Right off the bat, we have what's included written on the box. Now there's a lot in here, so let's have a look at it right now. We are greeted with the Raspberry Pi case right on top. I don't know if there's anything in it. Let's have a look. So right off the bat, you can see that the Raspberry Pi 3 is installed in the Raspberry Pi case here. We'll have a closer look at that here soon. Let's get it all opened up and see what we have. Oh wow. Okay, so right on the bottom here we do have the keyboard. Oh, that's cool. We have the micro SD card. As well as the Adventures in Raspberry Pi. We'll take a look at this all a little bit closer. I'm going to assume all the cables and everything are in here. There we go. And this one here we have, let me just bring that up here. So on the left side here we have the power adapter for the Raspberry Pi. I'm going to go ahead, pull out the one that I need. We're just going to slide this guy in here. Pretty nice. It's got the nice little logo on there. We got a safety guide, quick start guide. Now the good stuff. Ooh, that's pretty good. That's a fair sized mouse. Let's open that right up. Oh, that feels good. I like that. So that, compared to my Logitech that I'm currently using on my Raspberry Pi 4. Nice. Very nice. And then to top it off, they include a nice white HDMI cable here. Let's go ahead. Let's get this guy opened up. So that's pretty cool. Even on this guy, we have the Raspberry Pi logo on it, which is pretty sweet. So there we go. And that looks like it. That is a Raspberry Pi in a box. Alrighty, so let's have a closer look here. We've got the book here, The Adventures in Raspberry Pi. I can't wait to actually go through this. It looks pretty sweet. So I got some reading to do. I'm really curious to find out how the Raspberry Pi keyboard and mouse work with the Raspberry Pi versus my Logitech setup that I currently have. So we'll see what happens. I'm not too sure what's going to happen. This was just the quick unboxing. I'll go into more of a review here shortly after I play with it a bit. What I think I'm going to do though for this one is I need a little media center. So I think I'm going to turn this into that and see what I can do there. I was wondering what was rattling inside the case. It looks like the little feet here. See if I can focus in on that. I was wondering where the little feet for the bottom of the case were, and they were just inside there shaking around. So make sure you take it out right away. I like that design. That's pretty sweet. Right there. Okay, so that's enough of this one for me. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start playing with this guy, and I will be back with you next week with my full review. And remember to click on the video in the description below, which will take you to my first post about getting this Raspberry Pi in a box, and we'll go ahead and make sure you ask your questions, post any comments, and I will respond to as many questions as I can. So make sure to get those into me on that video so we can get those questions answered about this kit. If you haven't hit that like button, make sure to do so now. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Do it now. Thank you for watching, everyone. You have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time when we review this kit.